So the fastest and easiest way to give a post more exposure is using the boost post function underneath every post. So if you scroll through the Facebook newsfeed, you can see that underneath every post on your Facebook fan page, there's a blue button saying boost post. So this is basically really the fastest way to make sure that you reach more people on Facebook instantly. So let's go ahead and click on this. And as you can see, Facebook is giving me the opportunity to specify the promotion of this post. First of all, there's the audience section on the left-hand side. I can choose whether I want to reach people who like this particular fan page, people who like this page and their friends. This is great if you want to add some social proof to your promotions and just actually also reach non-fans. And then I can target people that I choose through some internal targeting. So I can set up a custom audience that I can reach out to. Now, the targeting options are pretty limited when you decide to choose the boost post option to give your post more exposure. Okay, so I can only encourage you to use this boost post option if you just want to make sure that all of your fans actually see that post. But for some more advanced targeting, there's a different way to make sure that a post gets more exposure, and we will take a look at that in the next video. But if you say, hey, I just really want to make sure that all of my fans see that post and I don't want to specify any targeting or something like that, then this is definitely the route to go if you want to get result instantly without setting up any crazy campaigns. The next step is to select the budget. Okay, so by default it's set to €5 or $5, and I can even choose my own budget. So I can just say, hey, I'm paying €10, 15, 20, 100 or 1,000 euros or dollars. It really doesn't matter. And if you enter a number here, some budget, then you will also see how many people you will reach more or less. So for €5, I will reach 51 to 140 of my fans, right? Then the duration, I can say, okay, run this post promotion for a day, for 7 days, or for 14 days. 1 day is, something that most of the people do. Just you make sure that a post gets some exposure for 24 hours. But you can even customize it. So you can even say, hey, run this ad until, I don't know, pause this ad in 3 days. So you can really click on this calendar and say, okay, I don't want to run it for 1 or 7 days. I want to run it for 2 days and finish the promotion on September 26th. Okay. If you're having a conversion pixel installed on your website, you can also select that one here. But that's basically it. So the only thing to focus on is the audience section and then just selecting a budget and deciding whether you want to run a promotion for a day, for 7 days, 14 days, or just, 2, 3, 5, whatever days. And then there is also an ad preview. So this is how the ad will look in the desktop newsfeed, and then we also have the mobile newsfeed. This is how the ad will basically look like. Pretty easy, pretty intuitive. And if you say, okay, that's it, I want to start the promotion, all you have to do is to click on boost. Then it will take Facebook around 15 to 30 minutes to approve your post, and you will see that you will get a measurable increase in exposure on that particular post.